Hey guys, Toasted New Gaming here. Today, playing Cluster Truck because I feel like it. Pretty interesting. I played like the first two levels. Really close. Just like wait, let's try. It's not as fun. We go to main menu. We are on now level 2. Okay. Nailed it. Oh, nailed it again. Oh man. Yeah. I'm great at this. Obviously, you can tell I've never actually played this game before. Man, parkour. Oh! Oh, nailed it. Oh, man. Okay, we're on level 3. I'm pretty good. Oh, man. Holy crap. Yes! Okay. Oh, wow, I'm great at this. Okay. The greatest there ever was. Oh my freaking gosh, I did that. Oh, man! Oh. So yeah, I've never played this before, obviously, and this is the first 4 levels we're playing so far. I've already freaking died. Oh, I did it. Yes. What the? Oh, yes, I did it. No! No! Man. Oh, well. I was watching a video on this, learning how to actually play it. Apparently there's like upgrades. Probably gonna check that out later, after this one's level probably. If we reach this level. Oh man. Nailed it! Okay. Abilities. What is this? Air dash. Double jump. Oh, okay. Alright, campaign. Level 6. Play. Oh man, parkour like a boss. What the? Oh, yes, I survived! Oh! Yes! No! Yes! I did it! Yes! Oh man. That was beautiful. Who knew that? Okay. And by the way, I am sick, so if I start coughing, probably my mic or something. Man, parkour like a boss. Oh, like a boss. Oh man. Oh no. Okay. Oh boy. Boy. Mercury. No. Wow, this game is really fun. Unless you do that. And it's not fun. Boy. Go for the falling rocks. Oh man! Oh no! I'm trapped! What? No way. Don't tell me I can actually do this. No way. No, please no! Gotta escape. I gotta make it. Yes! I did it! Yes! Yes! Oh man. Oh, that was pretty great. Oh. Big air. Oh. Nailed it. Oh. Man. No! Okay, I haven't really uploaded in a while. Because I didn't really know what to upload. Oh, yeah, I probably should upload another episode of Don't Start. Oh. Level. What if I could just stay on this truck? Nah, boy. Risk it. Oh! Yes! No! Oh man. Boy. Boy, no way. Yes. Made it. Oh man. If anybody's watching, if anybody's seen those videos where people are saying where their teachers should delete, say they should delete their channels. Oh man. No. Well, my teacher is like very goal set, and I was talking to him, and I said that I was making a YouTube channel, and some people say, oh no, you shouldn't make a YouTube channel in school, it's not a good idea, you delete your channel, blah blah blah. My teacher's like, oh that's cool, you should do that. I'm like, okay, pretty great. Oh man. Oh! Dang it! Man, boy. 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 Nailed it. Oh man, I'm pretty great. Pretty great at this. Oh! Alright, oh, these trucks are in clusters. Probably why it's called cluster truck. Oh man. Oh! My hands are so sweaty. The room I'm in is so hot. Because we have computers in here. My family does. And the PS4 over there. And the TV. What the? What? Oh, the shop. Yes. What ability? Double jump. Okay. Utilities. So I can double jump now? Oh, I can legit double jump. No! Dang it. Boy! No! No! Dang, this is hard. Okay, What the? Boy! Why? Why would you do this to me? Oh! Oh! Oh gosh, freaking dang it. Oh man, oh man, oh man! No! No, no, no! Will I be able to live? No way! Nope. No, I didn't. I wasn't able to live. Obviously. Wait, so. Trucks, you're in clusters, I believe in you. Oh, dang it, I was so close. Man. Whoa! No! Whoa, that first guy. Oh boy. Please no. Oh, yes, 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 yes! I did it! I've actually completed it! How many style points? 5,000 something. Guys, we made it to World 2. Holy crap. Oh man! I got hit by a tree. That sucked. Oh! No! Dang it. Yeah, probably after this level, I'll probably stop recording because, it's been like 5 minutes, probably over that. Oh! Yes! Yes, please, no! Dang! No! Please no, please no. Yes! Yes! No! Oh man. Oh, yeah, I'm sick. Done. But I'm super excited because in like 2 weeks, no, 10 days, my sister said, we're going to Disneyland, and I was like super excited. I'm getting hit by that stupid tree. No! I actually lived! Oh! Oh! Oh. Wow, that worked. Oh man. Oh man. Yeah! Dang it. Ah, such a struggle. Do this. Can I do this? Do this. Oh my gosh! Ooh. Okay. Guys, I think that's gonna be all for today. I'm probably gonna do more because Cluster is actually really fun. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys next time.